In this lesson, we are going to talk about OKR check-ins. Last time, we discussed the OKR cycle and how OKRs are not only a way to formulate goals, but also a system with three parts. The first part is defining OKRs, where we craft, align, commit and share. The second part involves regularly reviewing and acting on them. And the third and final part is the final grade, where we reflect, improve and reset, bringing us back to the beginning of the cycle. Today we are going to delve into OKR check-ins, also known as OKR reviews. There are regular meetings that should occur at each team, department or management level to review progress toward achieving objectives and key results, and to take necessary actions. Let's explore the best practices for conducting these reviews. As human beings, we often learn best by understanding and avoiding mistakes. So I will share how not to conduct OKR check-ins, and from this we can understand the best practices. So common mistake is not having OKR check-ins at all. Some companies spend time crafting great OKRs, possibly with a consultant's help, but fail to review them systematically. They might mention OKRs in meetings, but without a structured review, they miss tracking progress. So without regular check-ins during a cycle, companies face surprises at the end during reflection and reset phases, often not understanding how they got there. So schedule regular OKR check-ins. The best practice is to have them weekly or bi-weekly to ensure consistent tracking and adjustments. The second common mistake is discussing OKRs only during OKR check-ins. OKRs should represent significant changes you aim to achieve, so they should be part of other business meetings as well. For example, if you only talk about OKRs during check-ins, you are missing the point. OKRs should be included in planning meetings, sprint planning if you're using Scrum, review meetings, prioritization discussions, and daily decisions. If you are not incorporating OKRs into this, you are not using them effectively. So, integrate OKRs discussion into existing meetings instead of creating new ones. Teams already have various meetings where it would be valuable to review OKR progress. For example, include OKRs in community of practice meetings, sprint reviews, or bi-weekly management meetings. Some clients review OKRs in board meetings for 5-10 minutes weekly. This approach is more effective than having a separate OKR meeting. It is crucial to assign an owner when setting OKRs. The owner doesn't do all the work but drives progress, addresses risks, and resolves challenges. That is why I often call them drivers. This clarity helps during OKR check-ins, as you will know who is responsible for updating, grading, and managing each OKR. Ensuring clear ownership for your OKRs is essential. Another common issue is unprepared and unstructured OKR check-ins. Let's say OKR check-ins are part of an existing meeting and you dedicate 10-15 minutes to them. To ensure these meetings are effective and to the point, here is how to prepare. Before the meeting, update the status and grading of each OKR. This avoids wasting time as one person tries to recall details during the meeting. Decide what to discuss for each OKR. Focus on significant accomplishments, risks, and challenges. Mention any major progress or setbacks since the last meeting. And updates to the OKR comments or descriptions with timestamps before the meeting. This ensures everyone is informed, even if they miss the meeting, and provides historical data for reflections. And to run an effective OKR check-in, start by encouraging open and transparent communication. Check the confidence level for key results. High indicates everything is on track, medium suggests a need for increased focus, and low signals that a change in approach is necessary. Discuss any challenges and determine who can help overcome them. Finally, assign tasks and action items to team members to ensure progress and accountability. By updating the status and grading beforehand and planning key points to discuss, your OKR check-in will be more efficient and productive. To run an effective OKR check-in, it is helpful to have an overview dashboard. For example, if your team has 3 objectives for a period, create a dashboard displaying these objectives along with the owners of each key result. Ensure the grading status is updated and visible using colors to indicate status. Red for at risk, yellow for behind, and green for on track. During the check-in, highlight any significant achievements and address the key results that are at risk. If risks were previously discussed, provide updates on the action plans to mitigate them. move through each OKR systematically, ensuring all information is in one place for transparency and efficiency. This approach makes OKR check-ins straightforward and productive, helping to avoid common pitfalls. In the next video, we will look at what is important for aligning OKRs in the organization.